How to get your fussy cat to swallow their pill. Getting a feline to do anything unwillingly is a challenge few owners look forward to. Here is a guide to how to give a cat a pill while minimizing stress to you and your cat. Giving a cat a pill is one of those tasks cat owners keep their fingers crossed they won't have to do too often. But unfortunately, there are times when you need to give them important medication. It's not as easy as it sounds. There are claws and teeth you need to stay clear of, and cats are experts at spitting out pills. Before we get to our tips on how to give a cat a pill, the first thing you should do is check with your vet for any restrictions on how the medication should be administered. Certain pills can be mixed with food, while others must not be. Some pills can be crushed or divided, but others cannot, as this could risk damaging your cat's esophagus or stomach. This is because the medication will no longer be protected by the outer coating of the pill. Knowing this information can help you decide on the best way to give your cat the tablet. Once you've established what you can and can't do with your cat's medication, there are a few methods to get past those feline defenses and give your cat the pill. How to give a cat a pill. Here's a step-by-step guide to administering medication to your cat by hand. Try to approach the task calmly, aiming to minimize stress to your cat. If you haven't given a pill before, it is very useful to ask a vet or vet nurse to show you how to safely give oral medication. Do not put yourself at risk of getting bit, and watch your cat closely for signs that they are becoming angry or distressed. Place your cat on a flat, stable surface such as the floor or a tabletop. It can be helpful to put down a towel to stop them from slipping. To give the pill, this will be easier from behind or next to your cat. However, avoid taking your cat by surprise, as this will startle them and may result in a defensive scratch or nip. Having a second pair of hands can be very helpful, but is not essential. You want your cat to be facing away from you, as this will make it easier to restrain their legs or any other movement they might use to try and escape your grasp. You may find it helpful to hold them securely against your body to prevent them from reversing. Take the pill in one hand and with the other hand gently hold over the top of their head with your thumb and index fingers either side of their jaw and tilt your cat's head upwards. Use the other hand to gently open the lower jaw to open their mouth. Use your index finger to place the pill in the middle of their tongue, as far back as you can. Close your cat's mouth. Gently rub their throat for a few seconds and then return their head to a normal position and wait for them to lick their lips as they swallow. Once you think your cat has swallowed, check their mouth and the corner of their lips if they will let you. If you can't spot the pill, then you can be reasonably confident that you've been successful. If you see they haven't actually swallowed it, just try to place it at the back of their tongue again, close their mouth and gently rub their throats. You could squirt a very small amount of water in their mouth to encourage them to swallow the tablet, but not too much, as this may cause them to choke. In some cases, it's best to let them spit it out completely and start the process again. The final step is to treat your cat with their favorite food and toys once they have ingested their medication. This helps to develop a positive association between receiving medication and having a treat, and can help to make the process a little easier in future. Safety tips when giving a cat a tablet. If your cat scratches or doesn't like being held, try wrapping their body and legs in a towel, allowing only their head to remain exposed. Always hold over the top of their head to reduce the risk of being bitten. If your cat is particularly unruly, get another person to hold them while you administer the pill. If you or your cat are getting stressed, stop and give them a few treats and gently stroke and soothe them before trying again. If you get bitten by your cat, contact your GP for advice. Cats' teeth harbor nasty bacteria which can cause an infection. When you get a new cat or kitten, you can try training with treats to get them used to having their mouth open gently. Keeping up with regular training in this way can help to reduce stress if they need tablets later in life.